Hello, Brother Thane. Here's my project. So we can come in here and sort by type. So comedy, filter. Sorry, my computer's running kind of slow. Comedy. Good sort to documentary. You can sort to all of them. Like do by title. You can use title at the same time as well. But let's just do Mormon. I should get back at least 2 results. Officers and Mormons, meet the Mormons. And then yeah, if we were like, oh, we only want comedies that have that, and then we get back Mobsters and Mormons. It's both the requirements. And then if we clear that out, change that to all. There. And we should get back all the movies, and then I'll show you how it sorts by release date. Release date. So they're in order of year and month, of course. And then if we switch it, they'll do the opposite. Like that. Anyway, we can edit them. We'll add a rating to this one because it doesn't have one. PG. Save. Let me see, now it says PG. We can delete one. There's information if we hit delete. It's gone. And then you can just view the details. And from here you can edit it again. Go back to the list. And then the only thing we haven't done is adding, so let's add one real quick. Create new. Let's do Singles Ward 2. Let's just give it a random date. Comedy. Meeting G8. And there it is, the Singles Ward 2. And that should be everything. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day.